This video will provide a full walkthrough of the application process. Individual videos are provided for each section of the application to help guide you through the specifics of how to navigate through each section. Upon logging in, you will see your home page that will have reminders, announcements, any unread messages or surveys, as well as your accreditation applications. You'll want to find the application that you are looking to continue working on from the list, and selecting View will take you into the Renewal Application Overview. This particular application has already been completed so that we can show you a full walkthrough of the application. The Application Sections tab will show you how far you are along in regards to completion based on a percentage. It will provide a button to jump to each section that requires additional information to be submitted, and a long blue button at the bottom that will allow you to assign different portions of the application to various contacts within your land trust. This is to help keep you organized and prevent the occurrence of multiple people working on the same section at the same time. You can always see how far along you are in the application process by referring to the colors next to each section. Green indicates that the section is complete. There is an orange color that indicates that the section is in process, and a red color that indicates that the section has not yet been started. Let's briefly review each section. Registration requires you to complete a questionnaire and submit your payment for application. Submitting the registration and payment will send your information to the Commission, who will then approve your payment and open the other application sections to you, as well as adding any selected projects and targeted verification items and any expectations for improvement on this year's application. From each section, you will have the option to return to the overview of all application sections or to move to the next section. Clicking into each section will show you how far along you are in that particular section. The pre-application is broken up by General, Governance, Finance, and Stewardship, and each will require a questionnaire as well as attachments portion to upload the necessary documentation. The application section is very similar to your pre-application section and is broken down by General, Governance, Finance, Transaction, and Stewardship. This requires answering the questionnaires and adding the required attachments. These have all been entered, so they appear green, which indicates that that portion is complete. Selected projects and targeted verification items require uploading General, Transaction, and Stewardship documents. And next are the expectations for improvement if your land trust has items that need additional submission for this year's renewal. The last portion is the submittal certification. You'll need to check the box to certify the application, add in your title, and select Save and Complete. This will submit your application fully, and you will not be able to edit your application after it has been submitted.